Me name Jamaica unless quarantine cop. Hold on. We don't understand about quarantine, eh? What now do? I'm not telling you to stay in.
Yo.
Nobody out.
Aye.
Yo, Miss Lady. I talked to you last week.
Don't play with me now.
Look for me.
Don't play with me.
Look.
Don't play
What?
with me. I don't play with
Unless me say fit.
Sure.
Look.
Sure. Go
Me
away
say
and leave me
fit.
alone.
Go. Hey.
Look here,
You know
man.
here.
Go away and leave me alone.
Alright, you back. Go in.
Jesus
You think it's a play thing?
Lord God.
Whistle, and the teacher. Okay. Yo. I want the some man. You know. Boy, them a flip like Sony Ericsson, Samsung. Them know so we are.
I'm my brother, but I am not your brother. Who am I?
Well, me and you, a brother, but we still a brother. Not come out of the same mother, but anyway, you're a friend, an enemy, a stranger, everything to me, but you still a my brother, same me. Out of one people, but not the same mother. So I mean, so me still a my brother, same me. You're not a stranger to me, I'm my brother, same me. God make you, God make me, but not the same mother who come out of, but still one brother, same way. Yeah, see, so anyway, you see me one call me, can say I'm a friend, my brother, or whatever, I don't know, but you still a my friend, you still a my brother, everything in one.
Few moments later.
Me drink it. Me drink. Every day me drink blood clot dog food. You can't trouble you. I don't feel better going on. Me have blood clot dog food under the big tree down a town. Yeah. And when we find out say
you didn't see a dog soup you drink?
no.
Oh.
We know but when we find out say a dog, me still drink it. Suck off all the moves. You can look here. If you skin a dog, you can't believe say he meat pretty so you can't blood clot stay there. The worst if you scrape him.
You have a skin now?
Yeah.
What man?
Because me I sell the Chinese them.
The worst if you scrape it. China you also buy dog from? Which
I know me alone.
Which China buy dog
The
from?
whole of them in a put on.
You will chat so much?
But they don't know say me have a talk.
A liar tell man.
Yeah, me a lion. Me a blood clot lion. Pussy.
How you sell China?
Mr. Universe. Give them a brick with a easy entrance. Believe me, think no sweat job flinging on the assistant. I'm married in peasant, bone and muscle with the tenant. Some rhyme them tight like we squeeze them extra. Secret them well up, the big fire keep on get gas. Yes sir, fast scratch them live no method. Begin with the pressure, insist for the things very special. Mafia descendant, mighty them is red that take your temperature. You cannot touch your ring, much as independent. Discussion from attention, then a dead man right
Yo, what? We can't listen to song in peace. Eh? Yo, brother, lift up man, you. Lift up. One man.
Most your song.
Me say Chinese blood clot dog.
Which China you sell that?
If me call his name now, okay, I'm going to prove.
Then if no, you know, win can't chew.
Yeah.
Then if you talk true to your fellows.
Are you afraid to go?
Yes, it's a liar.
Who a liar?
Yo.
Ayawa. Thief.
Myself, man.
You a thief.
Me and myself.
Cat a thief.
Me don't know where you want to call me. Me and myself.
I eat rat.
Anything you want to call me, no trouble me. But me and myself.
Yeah. Me not talking to you.
Cat kill rat.
Cat thief rat.
Then kill them.
But you don't kill it. You don't take life.
When I was 6, right? My neighbor was half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
How old is the neighbor? When you're 6, I know you're 12. So how old is the neighbor? But me never know the neighbor age at the moment, so I never know the neighbor at the moment, at the time, in the position. So how couldn't me know the neighbor age at the time? I never know them at all, so I couldn't never say nothing. See, so me, you know, you say you're 6 at that moment, I know you're 12. All the thing me can say, me just a guess because I don't really find the answer yet. See, so my sense is still, me can't tell how old is the neighbor as the moment yet. Still, you still have to get to me, so me can question us, come somewhere. See, so,
when me at 6, right? My neighbor is half my age, and now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
Still half your age. So your neighbor, let me say the age of the neighbor, either the neighbor 16 to 24, one out of it. So half your age mean by from 12 to 12 means 24. And from 6 to 6 means to 12. So from 3 to 3 to mean to 6. So anyway you want to take the still a cut off half height. You see me this half of me half of you. So I mean, so me know it I go say again, so you don't know one I want make too.
Look here, man.
It's a vampire goat. Lady.
How which boy this? Unless you try challenge.
Who full goat here?
I'm well trained in a boy. Look come here, got damage you.
Lady, no worry.
I want to that boy, yeah.
No English, lady.
Eh?
Just go on.
Go that. Hey boy, go in. Go in.
Yo.
You know say, hey.
Yo.
Hey,
Yo.
hold that again.
No man, that go to the now.
Kick me? You're mad. Hey boy, go down.
Boy.
Don't play with the cop. Don't play with Jamaica unless. Watch ya. You play with me. You know hear me say? Social distancing. You know hear me say? That boy from last week. You know change your shirt. Hold that and go home. Go home, say. Yeah, hear me? Me not care if he's a postman or you doing delivery. Me say nobody on the road. Social distancing. Get home. Last time I'm talking to you, you know. You see all you? You see? Get in. Sarge. I am now in charge. Get home. Get home. Don't take my picture.
It's running, you eat fish?
What kind of fish?
Oh, I fear any fish.
Of course, me eat fish.
But that.
Fish eating is in the...
Me say, but have eaten or you have practice on the fish.
Eating is in the Bible and it is in the dictionary.
Oh,
so I don't care with your false word that you come with.
Why if he
the
come
Lord
to...
said, you must eat and be satisfied.
No, the kid is not that though. Kid is not nice though.
Why?
Sir, you should be wearing a mask. What? I said you should be wearing a fucking mask. There's a pandemic going on. Where's the one? What? I'm not scared. Hold on, tell us, no more. Don't get the fucking machete. Oh, shit. Fuck like I run for you. You come and call. So you should run. All you do is chop your toes and blood clot. Put the machete down. I'm not gonna come over there if you have the machete, sir. You should run go down, sir.
Alright, so let me say you have $1,200 and my cameraman asks you for a loan. So you have $1,200 and they decide that you're gonna give my cameraman $500. How much money do you remain with?
You see 12?
Huh?
You see 12?
Okay, so let me say you have $1,200 and you buy your shoes for $500. How much money you remain with?
I go.
This is one of the #1 reasons why I continue to say, I continue to beg, but I continue to say, kids, stay in school.
Fish. Shoot fish.
No, we not talk about that.
Me no die for shit.
So you never waterfront?
No, me a water back.
Because waterfront, me know you to dive a ship side. Yes. You pull them out and kind. Yeah, man. And white people look soft.
Me say, me no dive a ship. Oh, me dive a blood clot ship and me can't spell ship. When me a do a ship a dive. Cool too.
I know that, man. Which part you did live?
You're my brother, right?
Yeah.
But I am not your brother. So who am I?
A jacket.
You fear by idiot.